Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our product podcast series. Today, we are talking about something very relevant India's rapid RCC road development and the growing challenge of repairing them. From metro cities to Tier A, Tier B, and Tier C cities, RCC roads are now everywhere highways, expressways, societies, industrial roads. Because RCC roads are costly, we build them for long life so that potholes and damage do not occur easily. But due to extreme weather, continuous heavy truck load, and vibration, damage still happens. For example, the Ahmedabad to Mumbai NH 48 corridor, one of Asia's heaviest traffic highways, if a pothole appears on RCC, the traditional repair process is extremely expensive and time consuming. To explain this modern solution, we have Mr. Vipul Chowda with us today. Welcome, Vipul sir.
Thank you, Akanksha. Yes, traditionally, if an RCC road is damaged, we have to remove at least 1 cubic meter of concrete. The cost of removing 1 cubic meter itself is around 12,000 to 16,000 rupees. Then breaking, loading into a tractor, and disposal that takes one full day. After that, we add soil filling, compaction, grit, PCC base, steel reinforcement, M20 or M25 RCC, pouring and curing. The total process takes 20 to 25 days. Now think practically, can we stop Indian highways for 20 days? Can we shut down factory floors for 25 days? It is simply not possible. This is where Roadsil becomes the modern solution. It is a pre-blended powder made of cement and graded quartz designed for high strength and shrinkage compensation. It comes in 25 kilogram ready to use bags. Just add 6 to 7 liters of water, mix for 4 to 5 minutes, and it is ready. It provides 40 megapascal compressive strength at 28 days and has an initial setting time of 40 to 50 minutes with final setting around 90 to 110 minutes.
Sir, how fast can traffic resuming?
In low traffic areas, roads can open in around 4 hours. In heavy traffic areas, 8 to 10 hours is sufficient. Ideally, 10 to 12 hours closure ensures complete strength development. Instead of 20 to 25 days shutdown, now repair can be completed within one day. Even during rainy season, if you get a 4 to 5 hour dry window, emergency pothole repair can be done easily. First, clean the pothole, remove loose particles, and preferably cut it into rectangular shape. Fill completely and compact properly. It can be used up to 3 inches thickness and even more in layered repair. After compaction, you can give trowel or broom finish to match the surrounding surface. It is not only for highways, it is ideal for airports, factory RCC floors, warehouse ramps, and textile mills where heavy vibration damages concrete. Even without removing heavy machinery, localized repair can be done. For cracks and surface finishing, slurry can be prepared and applied as a thin coat to give smooth finishing. It can also be used for screeding old RCC or PCC surfaces. Another important advantage of Roadsil is that it can also be used for recoating old or new RCC slabs. If an old road or floor surface becomes worn out, uneven, or rough, Roadsil slurry can be applied as a thin coating to give a fresh, strong, and uniform finish. This makes it very useful for floor coating, resurfacing of roads, and rejuvenating old RCC surfaces. By preparing a slurry mix, it can be spread across the existing surface to provide a new look along with improved strength and durability. The best part is the cost efficiency. Compared to full RCC road reconstruction, the cost of using road sill for resurfacing or repair is almost around 10% of the actual RCC repair cost while still giving a strong and smooth finish. So instead of breaking and reconstructing the entire road, you can restore the surface, improve durability, and achieve a new finished look using road sill with minimal downtime.
Sir, is road sill only used for road repair?
That's a very good question. No, road seal is not limited to road repairs only. Because of its high strength and excellent bonding properties, it can also be used for RCC slab repairs, surface leveling, and finishing works. It is very useful for industrial floors, warehouse slabs, parking decks, and factory platforms where concrete surfaces get damaged or uneven. In some cases, it can also be used as a thin plastering or finishing layer to improve surface quality and strength. So, in simple terms, Roadsil is a versatile repair and resurfacing material suitable for roads, slabs, industrial floors, ramps, and even finishing applications.
What about safety compliance?
Roadsil is non hazardous, non flammable, non explosive, and stable under normal storage. Just basic PPE like gloves and safety glasses are recommended. Shelf life is 12 months if stored in dry conditions.
Sir, any final thoughts?
India is moving fast. Our infrastructure cannot afford long shutdowns. Roadsil reduces repair costs significantly, almost around 10% compared to full RCC replacement, and saves weeks of downtime. It is not just a repair material, it is a practical solution for modern Indian infrastructure.
Thank you everyone for listening. If you are facing RCC pothole or industrial floor damage, connect with us. We will see you in the next episode with another real construction challenge and solution.